Hello. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very simple but very, very effective meditation. I do it all the time. And if you need just a short moment where you need to calm down or just remove the chatter in your brain for a moment and just focus, find your focus, this will really help you, I think. Try it out. Hello, my name is Monse, and this is SOYOGA with Monse. So first of all, come to a comfortable seated position, anything that's comfortable to you. I just happen to be on the floor because I've just finished doing a yoga class, and I've just happened to be here, and I decided, look, this is a beautiful day, and this seems like a beautiful moment to share this meditation with you. And I don't have a chair in the room, but if you have a chair, just sit on a chair or sit on many cushions. I'm just happening to be sitting on a block, but you could be sitting on comfy cushions, and you could have the legs crossed, anywhere that's comfortable. Let's not go into different ways of sitting. If you're curious about that, ask me in the comments. And let's go for it. So this is going to be just to focus your minds, and it's going to be super efficient, super effective. Let me know how it goes. So first of all, just sit, find your a stable, comfortable position, find your alignment where you're neither leaning forward nor back. Your back is upright, up straight, but not tense, not tight. Just there is a softness in your back, there is a softness in your body. Close your eyes, closing your eyes. And then we're going to start focusing on the breath. We're going to be breathing in and out of your nostrils. Just start noticing the breath coming in through your nose and out through your nose. Next time you inhale, you're going to imagine that breath coming in through your nose and then going back down through your spine, picturing your vertebrae going down like an elevator, down, 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 till your last bone. And then as you exhale, going back up and exiting through the nose. And again, inhaling through the nose, feeling the breath going down through your spine. And exhaling, sending it back up again, vertebra by vertebra. Exiting through the nostrils. And we're going to do this a few more times. Inhaling down. When it reaches down the last vertebra, your sitting bone, exhaling, reversing. Inhaling through your spine, all the way down. Exhaling. Do it on your own. I'm going to do it 3 more times. Carry on breathing. If you manage to do 3 times without your mind getting distracted, or did you feel your mind wandering at some point? It happens. And when it happens, we just go back to breathing up and down the spine. One more time, just to remind us, very deeply breathing in, and the breath traveling down the spine and out. Now just breathe normally, without any force, without any intention, just allowing the breath to be your natural breath, wherever it wants to be. No need to do anything special. And lastly, open your eyes. And I'd love to know how this went for you. How did it feel if you were able to really focus on your breath going up and down your spine, or if your mind start wandering? If you like it, I'll do a longer one like this so we can meditate together for a bit longer using this same technique. And just let me know in the comments. All right. And at any point during the day that you feel that you need to refocus, or you need to bring back your perhaps you're scattered. Sometimes we have so many so many voices calling us, from social media to actual people, to our attention can be diverted in many. So if you feel that you need, try this, just 2 or 3 breaths, focusing on going up and down the spine for a moment, and then just see how it goes. But also it's a very good meditation technique. Let me know, we can do more and expand on it. So yeah, let me know in the comments, and please, please, please remember to subscribe. I'll be very happy if you do. So if you click, there is like a click thing in the banner that says subscribe, but also now at the end of the video, when you see my face, my logo face, just click there, you can subscribe. And remember to press the bell so you'll have notifications every time I have a video. So thank you so much for watching, and please share with others. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.